Mother.
Dad's got the camera. Too funny. Oh, I like that game. Yeah, you're a little tired, I think. Dad's got the camera.
Hi, sweetheart. Oh, you just showed your big teeth. That's what I was looking for.
Oh, nice.
Your top teeth. That's a nice nuzzle.
Yeah, you're sleepy.
Okay, I'm gonna start the movie now. Hey, Anya, bye-bye.
Want to say bye-bye to the camera?
Yeah, bye-bye, camera.
It's a bit weird because the camera's not actually going.